Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is nice to see the ladies looking up. How are we today? All right. With due respect to every single distinguished guest present here, how many of you actually remember the fairy tale Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? How many of you? I mean, really, don't feel shy. How many of you remember reading Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? Nice. Well, this question was rightly asked because someone very rightly said that being a graduate student is like becoming all of the seven dwarfs. In the beginning, you're dopey and bashful. In the middle, you're usually sick, sneezy, tired, sleepy, and irritable, grumpy. But at the end, they all call you Doc, and then you're happy. The basic question that every PhD student must know is the answer to why the hell am I doing this? Well, it is a very good question indeed. And probably that is the only reason why we are here to celebrate the success of one person who has found the answer to the most questioned question. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sarah and I shall be your host for this evening. The Royal College for Professional Technologies principle is to assist PhD students in their doctoral studies. Their main objective are cooperation and exchange of information between universities in the European Union, planning for United Europe on a third-level education to benefit from the vast input of research in each university or college that is within the European Union states. Well, tonight we have some distinguished guests, some very, very honored speakers who are going to grace this podium. Well, let's go ahead and see who they are. Chairman of the European Arab Business and Fellowship Foundation, Senior Consultant of the Royal European Arab Economic Interest Grouping, the Dean for International Affairs College for PhD Studies, the Dean for the International Affairs College, Royal College for Professional Technology, Ireland. Ladies and gentlemen, he is none other than Professor Dr. Al-Mutassim Al-Sheikh Isa. We also have between us the Senior Consultant for Medical Research for the European Arab Business and Fellowship Foundation, the member of the High Committee for Medical Research and Development for Oxford College for the PhD Studies, and the member for the High Committee for Medical Research and Development for the Royal College of Professional Technology, Ireland. He is none other than Dr. Brian Creedon. We also have amidst us today the Senior Consultant for Human Resources and Organizational Structure and the Advisor on Financial Management on International Projects. This lovely lady is Dr. Sarah Dunn. And, of course, the man of the moment, the Chief Executive Officer of High Rise Properties. He is none other than Engineer Faisal Ali Musa Al-Naqbi. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to move on and hear what our first speaker has to say. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Dr. Sarah Dunn. Lovely lady, Dr. Sarah. Please put your hands together.